Hi again. This is Grandma Karin, and we are going to um, get through some challenges after Windows 10 end of life. So, this last week, I have been working on trying to help customers. A couple of jobs that I have exposure through retail and private businesses, and a lot of people are freaking out about Windows end of life. Now, there's a couple of things that we can do, and right now I'm showing you a computer that has Windows 10 um, version 1909, and it's not allowing me to get any updates. It's not allowing me to enroll in extended security updates. It's not allowing me to update to the next version of Windows 10 22H2, which is 2004, and it's not letting me do any of these things online. I can't even run PC Health Checkup. So what I've done is I've downloaded an offline installer for both PC Health Checkup, which you can see me playing with here, and it's going to tell me that it's not compatible with Windows 11, and that's because we're still at Windows 10 version 1909. We need to get up to 2004, and we have to do that by installing the 22H2 um, feature update. And you can get that on a download installer as well. I'm going to put the links to those things below the video when I post this, and uh, get rid of the gnats. Too many plants in my room. Um, and I'm going to post those links down below. If you have any other questions, you can, of course, post them there, and I'll get to them as quickly as possible. So I'm running through a few of these things to show you that I can't get the updates. It's not letting the computer update with the old version of 1909 um, Windows 10. And this is after the 10/14 or October 14th end of life deadline. Um, Now, I will admit that I tried an old school method of rolling back the date on the computer. Yeah, Microsoft didn't fall for it. It used to work back decades ago, but not so much anymore. They figured that out. So I'm going to go ahead and run the PC Health checkup. They got you here because you have to have a Microsoft account. And so I'm going to go ahead and create one really quick um, and get that logged in so I can run the PC Health checkup. Yes. So just to keep you from freaking out, like a lot of other people that I've seen lately, you can enroll in these security updates, and it's free for now, personal users. Now, I don't know about business users. If you have a lot of computers and you can't afford to do the hardware update, buying new computer systems for everybody, if your computers are not compatible with Windows 11, um, you may have to pay to enroll in the security updates for another year, but it'll get you going until October 13th of 2026. Might be a less expensive way of keeping your computer um, secure and not open to vulnerabilities. It'll keep your antivirus program definitions, the Defender, Microsoft Defender, up to date, as well as any other operating system vulnerabilities that might make your PC at risk or your applications. Um, Oh, now is the time to shop around a little bit. Why not? We're going into the holidays. Lots of retail stores have, and online stores have uh, sales that are going to come up. Don't forget about our favorite shopping day of the year, the day after Thanksgiving, Black Friday. And a lot of sales will happen during then. Now, they have return policies. Many of the retail giants have price matching, And I think the price matching is within that window of your purchase. So if their price match window or your return window is 30 days, then you have 30 days to price match on either side of those sale dates. So let's say you wait to 2 weeks before Black Friday and you buy a computer, and then you discover on Black Friday, which is 2 weeks later, that it's gone on sale, that same item. You should be able to get the price matched through that retail vendor. I would just double check with their price matching guarantees and their return policies. Um, Push come to shove, wait for those sales, put the items in your cart, watch for them to drop in price, or you get the notifications that the price has dropped for the item that you're looking at, and you can get a really good deal both online and in retail giants storefronts. So good luck with that. Having a desktop is sometimes a little more uh, flexible as far as updating the hardware parts inside the device, because you can swap out pieces and parts. All-in-ones and laptops, sometimes those components are integrated, so you're kind of stuck with having to actually replace the entire device. So you can see that I keep checking, can I get these updates? Can I enroll in the security updates? Um, just checking on it and getting to a point where we definitely want to be able to enroll in those security updates. I did that for my uncle recently, and he lives 6 hours away, so I'll have to wait till the holidays before I replace that component. He has desktop, he has had it for over 10 years. I don't know how many other times he's had it updated, because sometimes I can't get to him, and so he'll call somebody from a local tech support to come and help him out. So that's what I plan on doing with him. But for now, he's enrolled in the security updates, and he should be fine. He doesn't do a lot, email, surfs the web a little bit, looks at funny pictures and videos. Sometimes he sends us garbage, but yeah, it's every now and then he'll call me. Did you look at that last email I sent you? And I said, did it have a link to something in it? And he'll say, yeah. I said, no. But mom's calling me. I think, yeah, he sent her a virus. So he goes, yo, that's what I was calling you about. I said, okay. Now you know why I don't read all your emails. So we're still checking, see if we can get those updates. And again, like I'm going to put the links to where you can download those PC Health Checkup and download the Windows 10 22H2 or 2004 update, feature update, if you waited too long to get your Windows 10 updated to a more current version, so you can milk along those security updates. All right, so this is one of the links. Download now to get the software, and then you can update it manually. Once you have the files, you can then go ahead and create those, or start the installation to update your computer. So, all right, I'm still getting used to doing these videos. Yeah, being in tech support doesn't mean I'm a video creator and a YouTuber, so forgive me for not posting regularly just yet. I mean, like I said, the last 10 days have been pretty busy for me with this Windows 10 end of life and supporting my customers. I also, again, forgive me for not being the fanciest as far as video editing. I'm learning. I'm learning. You're never too old to learn something new, right? All right. So some of these things, maybe I'm going a little too fast. Don't forget, you can stop the video, go back. I always tell customers that are constantly asking me if I do classes or where can they take classes. YouTube is a great place for people to learn new stuff because it's like a class that you can rewind over and over. And what is the key to learning something new? Repetition, right? So, yeah, here we go. We are going to be doing this learning thing on the computers, and you may have to do it a few times before you feel comfortable and confident with it. So look there, once we got it updated, push that update to 22H2 or the 2004 version, Windows 10, boom, all of those wonderful updates started appearing, and these are what are going to make our ability to enroll in those security updates for another year. Um, as a personal user, you get this free of charge, as far as I know. So far, so good. I mean, it is the 19th, so the end of life was on the 14th. I don't want to beleaguer that point, but there may be a time limit on
No
it.
longer mean that anymore.
Haven't seen anything to that
Okay?
effect,
They
but
think what
here we
ICE
go.
officers are
So
doing is
this is where you
violence.
would
They think
enroll
sending in the
in the
National Guard
extended
troops to
security
protect federal
updates
assets
and
is
stay
violence.
protected.
Not people
And
taking
it'll
out
tell you
bounties
that
on
you're
ICE
good to
officers. They
go,
don't think
free
that's
of
violence.
charge.
Not the fact that
Through, what is
someone
that,
in
October
Dallas just a few
13th,
weeks ago
2026?
murdered a migrant
So
in an
this
attempt to
computer
murder
technically
ICE
should be
officers.
good to
That's
go.
not violence.
However, we're going to go one step further,
Flashing their
and
lasers at military
we're going to
helicopters,
go
one
ahead
person was just
and
indicted for
do
that. But hey,
the
that is not
Windows
violence,
11
folks. It's
updates
only violence if
once
President Trump is involved.
we've
It's
completed this
ludicrous.
step.
So,
If
these governors
your
have gotten
equipment,
smart, and we're
your
talking about Republican
hardware,
governors.
your
Well, Youngkin
desktop,
cared.
your
So how
laptop,
would
your
they know
all-in-one
exactly what one
is
is?
compatible with Windows
That's my
11,
first point. Secondly, the people
and
who are aware of that
you
information, they
had
don't
not been
bring
doing
this
the
further.
updates, or you had been doing the updates all
But
along, you
again,
can go
told you we
straight
live
to
in two different
updating to
Americas.
Windows
This is a
11,
smart play from these governors. I
and
think more
we
governors should
can
just automatically
initiate
do
that
this.
with the
You know what's
Windows
interesting
11
about all this?
Update
They
Assistant.
cry about the president federalizing the National Guard. Why don't guys just
I'll
get
put
ahead
that
of
one
it and you deploy the National Guard so the president doesn't have
in the
to?
links in the bottom.
That's right. It makes too much sense. So here's more reactions from some people on CNN about this move. Take a listen.
Why are they coming at us now? And it's because they are worried that they are losing their grip on power. They are worried.
All right, so it's going to be downloading
Anarcho-terrorism.
and getting
Again,
my
that's what it's
system
really about.
prepared
That's why they're
for
giving
Windows
illegals
11.
guns. That's why
You can
they
see what I
actually
have
cry
right now.
the victim, and they say it's a
I
bad
can't
thing
even
when
see my
Trump
screen
shuts
right
down
now.
like
I need
actual
to put some
terror
glasses
networks of Antifa cells who are committing violence, etc., because we're kind of uncovering their actual plan and their actual, not even just plan, like current
Not too bad,
agenda
huh?
and practices of governance in the
Any
United States of
questions?
America.
Leave me a
And listen to the
message,
Democrat Party.
comment down
And then
below.
they got mad over it, right? And they spent this whole week like
If you
crying
need
and bro crunching
other
over this
tips
clip.
and
How
tricks,
dare you
ask
say their
those questions down
constituency of
below
the
too,
Democrats is the
and I'll
terrorists,
start
illegals,
addressing
and
some of
violent
those.
criminals?
All right.
Oh, because it is.
Have a good one.
Now,
Bye.
don't get me wrong, it's not an exhaustive list, so I'm not sure if, the Democrats are really offended because we